Hello everyone, it's Daily here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 4th of February 2019. Let's start with intraday trading ideas and let's have a look at the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. If you look on this chart, then this is a 60-minute chart of the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Those are weekly profiles and you can see that there is a pretty strong uptrend. And the previous week had the point of control right there. This is where the heaviest volumes got accumulated. As you can see, this lies exactly at our level. And if you look, for example, at these profiles right there, those are daily profiles, then also the long level, which you have there, is also a point of control. The heaviest volumes got accumulated there. And afterwards, this volume accumulation was followed by very strong and very aggressive buying activity. So currently there is an uptrend and there was a volume accumulation at the base of this buying activity. This indicates that strong buyers were adding to their positions there, were adding to their buying positions there, and from this place they initiated this buying activity. So I expect that when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers, you can see on this profile, also on this profile right there, will be defending their positions and they'll push the price upwards again. There's also a nice confirmation of the level. If you look at this screen right there, then you can see that it was a strong resistance level in the past, right there and right there. The price made pretty nice reactions to this level, and when the price went past the level, it became a support. So we have resistance becoming support setup, and we also have the volume accumulation setup. And both of those setups confirm the long level. Let's now go into the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. There are two strong short levels that caught my eye, and both of those levels are based on the rejection setup in which volume accumulation took place. So if you look at this rejection and this rejection, then they look pretty much the same. It's a rejection of higher prices, and within the rejection there was a heavy volume accumulation area in both cases. Alright, so this indicates that strong sellers were rejecting higher prices. They accumulated selling positions close to the high of the reaction, and then they started the strong selling activity. Both cases look basically the same, so the logic is the same behind both of those. So I think that those sellers who rejected the higher prices and accumulated their positions in those two places, they'll be defending those volumes and they'll be pushing the price from those two areas downwards. Let's now go into the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, where there's another very nice level to go long from. The level is right there. It's a long level from 0.6836, and this level is based on the volume accumulation setup. It's based on those heavy volumes which got accumulated before the start of this aggressive buying activity. I think strong buyers were adding to their buying positions there in this rotation, and afterwards they initiated this strong buying activity. And I think that when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers will defend their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards. What is also nice about this level is that if you look at the volume accumulation area, then this is 1 day profile, alright? This is profile of 1 day. You can also see daily profiles in this picture. So it's a daily point of control, but also if you move the flexible profile like this only for the rotation which took place before the strong buying activity, then you can see that also pretty heavy volumes got accumulated there exactly at our long level. So this is another small confirmation of the level. I think it's a very strong one, so I think that there's a pretty high chance that the buyers will be defending this level. Let's now go into the swing trade idea which I would like to share with you. This swing trade idea is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc, and before you can see a daily chart with monthly profiles, and as you can see there was a strong rejection of lower prices, a really strong one, a really strong pin bar, and from this pin bar there was a strong buying activity. Alright, so I'm looking for volume clusters inside this buying activity for potential long levels. The heaviest volumes within this whole buying activity, within this whole uptrend, are right there. This is the point of control of this whole area. Alright, so heavy volumes got accumulated in this rotation. Then there was this nice rejection of lower prices, this one. Rejection like this indicates aggression of buyers who are rejecting the lower prices, and afterwards another strong buying activity. So I think that strong buyers were adding to their buying positions there. Then they initiated this strong buying activity, and when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers will be defending their buying positions, and it's very likely that they'll push the price upwards again. So that's about it, guys. That's about the new trading ideas for the next week. I hope you like them. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.